Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling what you can. Pick a quiet, treated space and place a directional mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Once done, set your recorder to 24-bit, 48K HZ and record short test clips while monitoring with headphones so you can hear real problems. Make sure to note constant noise sources, airflow, hums, computer fans, because you'll remove those differently later. This captures clean material and gives you reference samples for noise profiles used in the next step. Next, import clips into your editor and create a noise print from a silent segment. Then apply spectral noise reduction conservatively so speech stays natural. Once reduced, add a high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz to cut rumble and use a narrow notch for 50 or 60 Hz electrical hums. After that, manually repair remaining artifacts in the spectral view, apply a gentle gate for low-level noise, and compress subtly to restore consistent vocal presence without reintroducing hiss. Finish by fine-tuning EQ, add clarity around 2 to 6 kHz but avoid lifting noisy bands, and apply gentle de-esser if sibilance appears. Once you're happy, bounce with dithering and export as lossless or high-bit compressed format to preserve quality. If you notice artifacts or a hollow vocal sound, back off the noise reduction amount and reapply, or, when possible, re-record the affected sections. One key troubleshooting tip: isolate and recapture a short problematic phrase rather than overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.